In this video, we'll guide you through updating your company profile and validating your business details in Hub Connect 365 to become a Hub certified company. We'll pick up right where we left off in the Updating Your Personal Profile video. If you haven't watched that one yet, we recommend checking it out first. From the My Profile page, look to the Our Profiles column on the left side of the screen and click the Companies button. A company profile banner will appear. Click the Business Card button to view your business card. Once you've reviewed it, close that window and navigate to the Connections tab in the top right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Hub Profiles. Next, return to the left column and click the box labeled, "Click here to update your network listing." A pop-up window will appear. Here, confirm your existing business details, update any missing information, enter your key sales contact, and upload your company logo. Then, check the box next to Claim Your Hub Certified Badge. Once you've claimed your badge, all caution indicators will be removed from your business card, and your profile will display as Hub Certified. When you're finished, click Save, and that's it. To view your updated profile, click the white user icon in the top right corner of your screen, select My Profile from the drop-down menu, then click the Companies button in the Our Profiles column. In the Company Profiles banner that appears, click the Business Card button to see your certified business card just as buyers and customers will see it. You've now updated your company details and earned your Hub Certified status. You can edit your information anytime by returning to the Hub Profiles page and selecting the Update Your Network Listing box. You're all done, congratulations. Let's keep going and explore more ways to make the most of Hub Connect 365.